صباح الخير. Good morning. I received a very important email from Kaggle. Kaggle, it's a biggest platform of communities about artificial intelligence. So this is a competition of Kaggle. You will write an essay about the state of machine learning in 2023, and total prizes for all winners will be, for 7 winners will be $70,000. It means that every winner will win about 10,000 winners, and the entry deadline will be July 5, means after about 1 month and a half from now. To learn more, go to the description of the competitions, the contests. These are the 6 categories, and you can six categories, and you can select another category is not found here, and submission instructions and the evaluation. So the timeline, this is the timeline. Start date to submit May 11, team merger deadline July 7, and start of the peer feedback period is July 7. You are required to make the notebook containing your essay public period to this deadline. You have from the start of the peer feedback period until the final notebook submission deadline to provide feedback to 3 of your peers. And July 60, final notebook submission deadline. All peer feedback is due by the final notebook submission deadline. Authors are encouraged to make updates in response to peer feedback received prior to final submission deadline. So this is the timeline, this is the prices we said before, and we have the evaluation criteria. We have the rubric for you should or must follow this rubric to be a winner, and these submission structures, you have to follow this format and submission like this file, and peer feedback instructions. This is the peer feedback instructions. So to join, you have to sign in first. You have to make an account on Kaggle. Okay. Now you signed in, then join the competition. Rules. Competition website. All things together here. Bookmark, report, join competition. Write your phone number. They will send a code. Report. Stairs. Verify. Send verification code. Already have the code. Enter now. So I will check my mobile. Then you enter the verification code sent to this mobile number, and then press verify. When you write this code, then press verify. If the code is correct, it will be verified and go to the next step. Please subscribe to the channel to receive every new video we upload, and to encourage us to continue, we'd like to reach up 10,000 subscribers, and to reach to the Google and Bing search engines. Thanks for watching this video.